This kicker KMC5 media center slaps. Boaters and UTV riders can't believe the sound. Ever feel like your entire outdoor audio setup is just fighting you? You hit the power button and the volume's weak, the signal's trash, and your crew's side-eyeing your party barge like it's a floating funeral. Your tune's cut out halfway through the lake, or worse, your gear glitches mid-ride while you're deep in the dunes. You've wasted hours troubleshooting clunky gear, fiddling with app connections, and praying your head unit survives the splash. Honestly? It's exhausting. You're tired of fragile setups that can't handle real outdoor chaos. You just want gear that actually delivers, every time. Now let's crank up the stress for a sec. Picture this. You've got friends on board, drinks are cold, and the moment's perfect, but the sound? Dead. Your old receiver's glitching, you can't pair Bluetooth, and your favorite track's MIA. Add a ticking clock, rising tempers, and your own inner voice screaming, "Why didn't I upgrade this junk earlier?" Sound familiar? Whether it's a chill cruise, sandblasting trail ride, or early morning fishing trip, your audio gear is either your MVP or your most embarrassing failure. That stress? It builds. And it kills the vibe. But you don't have to settle. Enter the kicker 46 KMC5, your rugged, all-terrain audio savior. This weather-smashing beast is built for the extremes. Boats, UTVs, motorcycles, you name it. With 6 powered channels blasting up to 240 watts, a crystal-clear 3.5-inch full-color LCD, built-in Bluetooth, USB, AM, FM, satellite, and weather band tuner, plus dual-zone control and video input for onboard cams or backup views, this isn't just a media center, it's an outdoor audio command station. Designed to survive salt, splash, and sunburn with an IP66 rating, the KMC5 doesn't flinch. Gloves on? Sun blazing? No problem. Every control stays sharp, every bass drop lands deep. Imagine this. You fire up the KMC5 and your whole ride transforms. Dual-zone audio lets you pump high-energy anthems up front while keeping chill vibes in the rear. Your crew starts vibing instantly. The bass hits. The highs sparkle. You glance at that slick LCD, twist the rotary encoder, and it just works, flawlessly. Reviewers are raving. Way better than my JL audio. Easy install, killer power. Feels premium, performs even better. One boater even ditched his subwoofer because the KMC5 alone brought the thunder. No stress, no glitches, just pro-grade power. Want a smarter, louder, way cooler setup? Smash that play button and see it in action. Listen. This ain't your granddad's head unit. It's built for legends who refuse to settle for static, lag, or weak sauce. And it's flying off shelves. Marine, UTV, off-road, whatever you ride, this is the upgrade. But heads up. Supply is limited, especially during peak boat season. Don't wait. Don't think about it. Join thousands who already ditched the drama and went full kicker. Secure your KMC5 now. Feel the music. Own the moment. Rule the ride. Click below and make your next adventure sound as epic as it feels.